Hi guys, you're on the Fantasy channel and today we will sculpt Coraline. I think this is a very light craft, the frame of which we will make of aluminium wire. Subscribe to the channel because this way you can see the process of sculpting different characters. I loved the cartoon of Coraline as a child. He caused me fear and now admiration. Clothes for her, I chose that sweater with stars and black jeans. This look is the best for me. By the way, the cartoon itself was created over 4 years. Imagine in general.
Start with inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply, rise onto your toes, and stretch arms high. Exhale, lower the heels, circle arms out and down. Again, inhale and stretch high.
That's done, this miracle, and if you liked the video, then why not like it? And I wish you all the best. Bye!
So excited. This is cold. But what's now?